What's up everyone? Yevhen here from a Canadian company, Appliance Service Guys. Let's go! Canadian city of Winnipeg, Roslyn area. Frigidaire stove, all the heating elements don't work. Don't worry, we'll fix it together in 2 minutes. But first, I advise you to click the subscribe button on Appliance Fix Lab right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance and repair of appliances. Reason for service call: Frigidaire stove heating elements are not working. Checking the functionality of the Frigidaire stove. The burners do not respond to turning on. One of the switch does not rotate. I remove the protective plate of the stove body and conduct a visual inspection of all elements. Using a multimeter, I check the operating parameters of the switches and the elements of the control board. Everything is okay. I remove the non-working switch and fix the loose fasteners. I thoroughly clean all contacts on the switches and control board. I fix bad contacts or change them. I put everything back in place and check it. The switch that was not working is now working, and all burners are working. I'm starting to perform maintenance and check the elements that are responsible for the operation of the Frigidaire stove oven. I check the operating parameters of all elements using a multimeter and control the quality of the contacts. Component readings are normal, the contacts are clean and securely fastened. I turn on the baking mode and observe. The lower heating element is working. I turn on the grill mode and check the upper heating element. Everything is fine too. Success! The Frigidaire cooktop and oven are operating normally. The stove has been tested in all modes and is ready for further use. You subscribe and like. I am making new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.